Hey, this is Cameron. So I just released a new version of Album Download 0.2. It's available now in the Chrome store. You can get it, Chrome Web Store. It's available. You can get it and read the documentation by going to ctegra.com. There you can click on this link to download. You can install it by clicking this link. It's going to ask to manage your downloads. And now it's installed. So once it's installed, you can click on the icon to launch the extension. When it loads, you need to sign in to get started. So click sign in. Click on your account to sign in. It's going to ask you for read-only access to Google Photos. Click allow. So now it's loading the albums. It's loading both the albums and the shared albums. So here you can see all of the shared albums that I have access to. And once it's done loading the albums, you'll see a list of my albums. So depending on how many albums you have, I have 178. That's how long it takes me on my internet connection. So I'll click on this album, and now it's loading all the items in the album. So here's all of the 81 media items. So to download them, I can download them individually by clicking the download button next to it. And it's going to, you see here in my downloads folder, the items show up. I'll go ahead and delete that, and I'll download all of the videos. There's only one. You can see here it's downloading it as an MP4, and it's got it. So one of the reasons I built this application was so that I could easily share videos and photos in the exact same order that I had organized inside the album. Here I'll click download photos, so I have the other 80 photos. You can see here that it's starting downloads for all of the rest of them. And on the Mac, it's nice. You can see when it's going to complete download for the rest of the other items. So depending on your internet connection, it'll show you. Depends on your internet connection how fast it'll download. So the extension runs on your computer. You give it access to download your files. There's any other communication going on. All right, so that's just about wrapped up. That's the main feature. There's some additional features. You can actually change the save as format. So you can see here how it's going to save the videos, or the videos and the pictures. You can actually modify this. If I wanted to name it, let's name it Croatia Hike, and I'll just tab out. You can see here that it's going to download the file as Croatia Hike. So it'll actually download all of them that way. If you want to it'll download the video that way, it'll download the other photos that way. You can also, if you want to, here I'll delete these. If you want to set a max width and a max height, you can do so. So say you want to do a 300 by 300 square and you want it to crop the image, you can go ahead and have it do that. So I'll give you an example. So now you can see that it's 300 by 300. Tools, show inspector, 300 by 300 pixels. And you can actually have it do that for an entire album if you wish. And that'll be really quick. So there it's downloading 80 images for their 300 by 300 cropped. You can play with these settings, and that's a demonstration of 0.2. Thanks. Bye.